This is a Christmas village, support free model. You don't need any support, any raft, just print like this. I pre-made this model especially for FDM printers, for small printers. Works even for resin printers. This model it's about 100 millimeters that fits in your hand. I'm using PLA just now, 220 degrees nozzle and 40 degrees bed, using Sapphire plus 3D printer, 60 millimeters per second, 0.2 layer height. I'm using absolute cheapest PLA that I found on Amazon Europe. Printing time about 5 hours. Super easy to print. No support, no raft needed. Just print like this. Very cool and nice model. I'm going to add link below so you can download free STL and print by yourself. Enjoy, subscribe, and happy 3D printing.